Do you sound like a telemarketer when you're prospecting? You get calls from telemarketers. You know how they sound. They say all the wrong things. They say, "How are you doing?" Crazy. No fearless agent coaching student would ever say any of that stuff. I noticed something else. When I'm coaching my coaching students, I will end every call with, "Have fun." And that really is the secret. I have a rule in my life that if it isn't fun, I won't do it, okay? So I want you to have fun when you're prospecting, because that's going to come across when you're on the phone. So if you're funny and humble, that sells. So whatever it takes to have fun prospecting, do that. But you have to prospect, but you also have to make it fun. So one of the secrets to making it fun is don't take yourself too seriously. Don't get attached to the outcome. You're talking to nice people who may want to sell their house, they may not. They might not be nice people. They might be crazy. They might be insane. They might be mean. They might be not nice. None of that matters. That's none of your business. Your job is to be nice and sane and smart, and find people who are nice and sane and smart that are interested in selling their house in a relatively short period of time. So whatever you do, when you're a fearless agent coaching student of mine and you talk to me, I'm going to remind you, it's coaching when I say, have fun. If any of the stuff we do on these videos makes sense to you and you'd like to learn more, go to fearlessagentpodcast.com and listen to our great podcast. You can also go to fearlessagent.tv, which is maybe where you saw this video, but subscribe at fearlessagent.tv. Go to fearlessagent.com, watch our free webinar. And if you think Fearless Agent might be a good fit for you, certainly you can sign up on our website, but you might want to give me a call at 480-385-8810, and let's see if we can make a fearless agent out of you. Thanks.